So it was another hot one out there as we made our way through the day today. We hit a high of 98 at Scottsbluff and at the Harrisburg area, and Torrington was the only place in our viewing area that did actually hit 100 degrees, 92 at Gordon, 99 your high today at Sydney. So we have stayed very mild into the evening, 81 at Scottsbluff, but the temperature might drop behind that thunderstorm that's out there, 77 at Bridgeport, 74 Alliance, and 73 Gordon and at Sydney. Temperatures across southeastern Wyoming into the low to mid 70s right now. Cooler, drier air out in that direction, but most of our Nebraska counties have that strong south or southeasterly wind. Wind speeds right now around 10 to 20 miles per hour, but look at Scottsbluff. The wind has just flipped around to a northwesterly direction behind that disturbance that's making its way through. So here's what we got as of right now. We have some strong to even severe storms now stretching from Scottsbluff, points off to the north, and a line of showers stretching all the way back down toward Kimball. So if you live east of this line, it could hold together and actually produce some moisture. Let's take a look at the alerts. Now, we do have a special weather statement. This is for just sub-severe conditions from Scottsbluff and just off to the north as you approach the South Dakota border. 55-mile-per-hour winds, dime-sized hail in this white box that does last until 10:30. Also, we do have this new severe thunderstorm warning. That is basically for northern Dawes County, a little bit of Sioux County in there too, including the city of Chadron. This is actually the part that could have maybe up to half-dollar-sized hail and up to 60 to 65-mile-per-hour winds. That new warning does go until 11 p.m. and you can see the strong portion of this storm now approaching the Hemingford area. So just be aware if you do live from Chadron to Hemingford, even Alliance, maybe it might skirt your viewing area as we make our way over the next half hour to 1 hour. Now, here's a look at the service map. A little bit of a warm front making its way through. We're in that very strong southerly wind, this warm sector here, and this cold front is not going to get anywhere near us as we make our way through the next few days. So we are going to stay on the warm side. Any of the storms coming to an end over the next couple of hours. During the overnight, temperatures falling back into the mid-60s, and then for the day tomorrow, highs into the upper 90s to near 100. Just some more isolated showers and storms across the region. We'll put the moisture chance around 10 to 20% for tomorrow and Wednesday. Starting off your Wednesday into the low to mid 60s and high temperatures into the low to mid 90s. And still, you can see every once in a while we do have some isolated storms on the map, especially late afternoon and early evening. So this low moves off to the north and east. The cold front also moves off to the north, so we stay in that warm sector. A little bit of disturbance makes its way through every once in a while, giving us those storm chances, but more high pressure is on the way, and that will keep us with a good amount of sunshine. So, as is typical, this is our late summer dry and hot spell. That jet stream is going into the northern plains and the Canadian prairies. That's where the strong to severe storms are going to mainly be. We're going to get the back end cold front every once in a while, but our weather, at least for the next week or so, is going to be hot, lots of sunshine, maybe a pop-up thunderstorm, but the heat will be the main story. And as for the smoke, the good news is the wildfires up in Canada pumping smoke. It was in here over the weekend. That's going to move into the Midwest and Northeast. Now, as that high-pressure system was approaching, gave us that northwesterly wind over the weekend that gave us the smoke. But as it moves off to the east, we will get hot and sunny, but gone is the whole lot of smoke that we have been getting. But we do have the heat. 100 tomorrow, mid to upper 90s. We'll keep that 20% chance of some showers and storms from Wednesday all the way through Sunday. Temperatures continuing to be on their way down. By Sunday, back to near 90 again on Monday, and we'll up the chances for moisture at 30%. Otherwise, partly cloudy skies. Travis?
Thanks.